Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Today we will do multiple scan. Fix the objects in the holes of the plate with blue tack. Each hole with its own number, and make sure each item is separately. After choose the right workflow, the scanner will do scan automatically. After the auto scan, we can check the data. If some parts not well captured, we can enter add scan process. Add scan is manual scan. We just need to rotate the data and show the parts that needs to rest facing us, and then the scanner would auto capture it. After alignment, the data of each item would be marked with different color. The data of each item would be marked with the number that is displayed on the plate, and the software will create the data for each item separately. As we can see, the data for each item is created one by one. Now we got 3 data marked with number 1 to 3. Furthermore, we can choose any data separately and do a mesh on it.
Want to know more? Contact me by WhatsApp.